Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I have brought to you a very easy pattern, a very cute little earring pattern. You can see the look of these earrings. Very small earrings, you can see the size. And here the color of the bicone is giving the color to the earrings. And they are so easy and they look so cute while wearing. So I have named these earrings as Cutie bicone earrings. So here I have made these earrings in amethyst color. I have also made these in few more color. This one is in Picasso blue color. And here you can see I have added this bralette at the bottom. You can see the difference it makes. After adding the bralette, you can see the difference in the length of the two earrings. And in today's video, we are going to make this earring our cutie bicone earring in mint albaster color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our cutie bicone earring. Friends, for making our cutie bicone earring in mint albaster color, we are going to use these 4 mm bicones in mint albaster color. Then I'm going to use these 7 by 5 mm teardrop crystal beads in green opal color. Here I'll be using white pearls in 3 sizes. This is in 6 mm, 4 mm and 3 mm in size. Then I'll be using these 11 O's. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 11 O's and these are Miyuki duracoat galvanized silver 15 O's. Here I'll be using these leatherback ear hooks in silver color. I'll be working with Miyuki thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we will start making our cutie bicone earring by picking up one 6 mm pearl, 2 4 mm bicones, 1 4 mm pearl and 2 4 mm bicones. So here I have picked up these 6 beads and now I am bringing these down towards the end of my thread. And now here I'm tying a knot. Like this. Into the pearl, the 6 mm pearl, and just pulling in the tail into first 4 mm bicone, and now I'm picking up one 15 of silver into the second 4 mm bicone, into the 4 mm pearl, into the next 4 mm bicone, again picking up one 15 of silver into the last 4 mm pearl, 4 mm bicone, and into the 6 mm pearl like this. So after completing this round, this is the look. And now here as I'm exiting through this 6 mm pearl, I'm going to pick up 6 11 of silver. So here I have picked up 6 11 O's, and here as I'm exiting through this side of the 6 mm pearl, I'm going to pass through this opposite 4 mm pearl through the opposite side like this. Just keep your thread nice and tight here. Now picking up 2 11 of silver and 1 2 3. So I'm going to pass through the third one from here like this. So this 11O has become the third 11O on this side. Now I'm going to add 3 more 11Os and into the 6 mm pearl like this. So you can see the look after completing this round. And now, as I'm exiting through this 6 mm pearl, I'm going to pick up 8 11 of silver, so here I have picked up 8 11s, 4 and 4, 8, and I'm going to pass through the same 6 mm pearl, like this. Stepping up into the first 4 11s, and picking up 1 11 of silver. So here is my 11, and now I'm going to pass through the next 4 11 of silver, like this, back into the 6 mm pearl, up through the 11 O's and the one that we added just now. This is the middle one, and now here I'm going to pick up 3 15 O silver and my ear hook. So this is the front side of my ear hook and my earring, and this is the ear hook, and it should be hold like this. So as I'm exiting through this side, I'm holding it and I'm going to pass through the ear hook like this. After passing through the ear hook, I'm again picking up 3 15 O silver and into the 11 O at the bottom, like this. We can check. Yeah, it's done. And now stepping up into first 2 15 O silver. Keep your thread nice and tight here. Picking up 1 15 O silver and into the third 15 O, the ear hook, and into the fourth 15 O. So you can see I'm passing through the third 15 O, the ear hook, and the fourth 15 O, like this. Again picking up 1 15 O silver and down through the fifth and sixth 15 O silver. Just keep it nice and tight. And now I'm not passing through this 11 O, just moving up through these 15 O's and the one that we added in this round, like this, into these 15 O's and the ear hook, down through the 3 15 O's on this side, into the 11 O at the bottom. So here we have attached our ear hook, moving down through the 11 O's, like this, back into the pearl, the 6 mm pearl, down through the 4 mm bicone, skipping the 15 O, into the next bicone, into the 4 mm pearl, and now I'm picking up 6 15 O silver. So here 2 and 4 6, back into the 4 pearl, stepping up into the first 315 silver, picking up 1 silver, into the next 315 silver, back into the 4 pearl. Now, after passing through this 4 pearl, down through the first 15 silver and picking up 115 silver, 1 pearl. So here are my beads: 115 silver, 1 pearl, 115 silver, 111 silver, 1 4 bicone, 111 silver, my teardrop crystal bead, and 111 silver. And I'm bringing these down and skipping the 11 silver at the bottom, moving up through the teardrop crystal, 11 silver, 4 bicone, and the next 11 silver, like this. Now picking up 115 silver, 1 pearl, and 115 silver. I have picked up these 3 beads now and into the last 15 on this side, like this. Into the 4 pearl, down through these 15 and into the 11 silver, and just keep your thread nice and tight here. As I exit through this 11 silver, I'm going to pick up 215 silver, down through this 11 bicone, 11 and the teardrop crystal bead, into this 11 silver at the bottom, up through the teardrop crystal, 11 bicone, and 11 and the 215 that we have added just now. And into this 11 from the opposite side, like this, up through the 315 just into the 4 bicone, sorry, this is the 4 pearl, and now into the 4 bicone, skipping this 15 into the next 4 bicone, and here I'm going to tie a knot in between the bicone and the 6 pearl. Into the 6 pearl, once again down through the bicone, and into the last bicone here. And now I'm going to cut the thread and the tail off. So here we have completed our cutie bicone earring in mint albaster color. You can see the look, how gorgeous and cute they look. One thing I would like to show you, you can see the difference the 3 drops are making here. In all the 3 earrings I have used different drops, and due to it you can see the difference in the size of the 3 earrings. In this earring that we have just made, I have used this 7 by 5 mm teardrop, and here I have used this violet. So this is the longest one out of the 3, and here I have used this drop of 12 by 8 mm size. So you can see the difference in the 3 earrings the drop has made. And these are the 3 colors that I have made: the mint albaster, Picasso, and the one in amethyst color. So friends, these are the 3 colorways in my cutie bicone earring. I hope you will enjoy making these earrings. These are very easy to make earrings, very quick and easy. So if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and namaste.